1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this video. This is a video on To the Wind by, let me just get the artist name quickly. It is Ezra Glatt. Quite an unknown artist, relatively unknown, on YouTube at least. On Spotify, I see he's got a bunch of views, but very, very good artist. I should actually just write down the name here. And Ezra Glatt. By the way, this video is brought to you by the Jooba people. Join us using the link in the description if you haven't already, and you can get the PDF on there. Okay, so this PDF is very, very nice. It's got all the details. It's a little bit of a different format because it's got some intricate things, but it's not long. It's just basically just that length, and this will take you through the entire song. Now, the tuning here is drop D tuning, so just the bottom string is tuned down to a D, and then capo on first fret. It took me a while to figure out the tuning because it's very interesting voicings that he uses. You would think it's in an odd tuning if you just listen to the song, like a really odd tuning, like Dadgad or Open D or something like that. That was what I initially thought, but yeah, I discovered then it isn't. So I see here, I can't see the line. So I'm just going to pause the video and see if I can fix it. Okay, there, I made it so you can see the line. So basically, the song has got 3 parts. The first part is the intro. Hey, come on. Which is that. And the intro is also used inside the verses section. That's the one going. And that's also used at the end of the verses. And then the verse is just the. Basically a sequence of chord shapes, okay, which is quite interesting. So we're going to do a little bit of music theory in this lesson as well. Okay, but let's jump into the intro. Okay, just going to zoom in there. So we start with a D, 7th fret, these two. It's actually a D at 9 because we got the 9 up there, but it's like this. So you do normal Travis pattern. Oh, sorry, these two up there, sorry. D6 at 9 chord. Very beautiful sound. Nick Drake uses a lot of this type of voicing. So P-I-P-M, P-I-P, P-I-P. And then what you do, you're just gonna let this note descend 2 frets, one at a time. Almost like so, and then go to the A string, same thing. So these little signs here are just repeat that little riff, okay, just to make the tab simpler, so you kind of just see what the guy's thinking of. It's just a, that's the first line up to there. Okay, so And then this hand goes back here to this D shape. Like a D at 11 chord. Very beautiful. It's like it would be, if that finger was there, it would be a regular D, but now it's got the 11 added. Very nice. So you go. So just slowly the intro. Okay, then we get to the verse. Same picking pattern, PIPM, but we're gonna move these two fingers that were here down one string. We're gonna play that 4 times on per chord. So this is a D add 9 chord going to G minor 6 / D. But still, so that will be the chord, but very beautiful chord. But we have this kind of that motive going. Very common chord progression used in coloratura from Coldplay as well, but a very common old thing to do. So the D, move it back to G minor 6, and then a D6. So we've got this one on 4th fret and this one on 7. Still the same picking pattern, D7. This is a D7, and this leads us. That leads us to the G. The secondary dominant D7, taking us to G. And then when you go to G, it's like actually a G6 chord, and the picking pattern goes to a rolling pattern going. So G6, then G major 7. Not technically, this is like a B minor at 11, but it doesn't really matter. And then you go back to okay, so just there, the verse part, we got D with the PIPM pattern, G minor, going to D6, D7, and this takes us to the G. 1 twice each. And then intro times 2. All right, when we get to the bridge after that, which I call the bridge, you do a little walk up to the G chord, and it's just very slow strums on the G. Sorry, 4 times each chord. I think this is an E minor add 9. That would be a normal E minor. So it's an E minor add 9. And D add 11. 7. Taking us to E minor. G, we do this part twice. E minor. D7, E minor. So this part here, G sharp minor. Sorry, that's not a G sharp minor, that's an F sharp minor. Just fix that. F sharp minor. So that looks like this. He just plays this chord once and then goes to the G. Pretty tough chord to get right, actually. Or goes like. This might actually be the shape, I think. Wait. Just give me a moment. Alright, I did fix it. So it's basically the F sharp minor you play 4, 4, 7. There, so we go. That last one we hang on the E minor 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gone away. Oh, sorry. There at the end. Okay, so I think I covered most of the bases here with the song. I don't think there's something that I missed, but if you have any questions, let me know in the community and I will be happy to answer them. Cheers, have a nice day, guys. Bye.